Let's make these pretzel Rolo reindeer. These are so fun to make with kids and they're so fun to eat as well. Such an easy, fun Christmas treat.
This is Rudolph.
That's Rudolph right here.
Those are mine.
And what's
I'm
this
gonna
one?
crazy. The crazy ball. Because he's crazy.
Okay, so let's get started with a big baking sheet covered in parchment paper and then probably about 1 pack or 1 bag of pretzels. I think I have about 28 on there. And then I had about 2 to 3 packs of Rolos. Again, I'm going to need 28 to cover all of these. And I'm going to place 1 Rolo on top of each pretzel. I'm going to preheat the oven to 250 degrees. I'm going to throw them in the oven for just a couple minutes to soften. So once you can press down on them easily, they are ready. You want to be fast with this because while they're melted, we want to press everything into it. It's honestly so easy. So we need a bunch of googly eyes. We need some festive M&Ms, just the red and green. You could use just the red for Rudolph's nose, but we ended up using the green ones as well. And we had all the different shapes of googly eyes to press on there. So if you're making this with kids, they can just make it however they want. Don't worry about it too much. It's just all for the fun. So you can put different eyes on, different noses on, whatever you like. Get creative with this. Now for the antlers, for the reindeer here, I just cut them in half. You can try snapping them in half. Some of them break. Honestly, I wasn't too worried about it. If you want to make them as nice as possible, you can try using a steak knife to kind of saw down on them. And then you just keep playing around with this. You just keep pressing them in and they come out like this. They can turn out however you like them to. Look at how cute they turn out, these little cute little Rudolph reindeers. And we had all different ones like our crazy one. So I hope you love this and Merry Christmas.